and sugar-free. If you're bored of eating beetroot the same way, and if you want to create something fun along with your kids, today I'm going to make this beetroot cookies. This cookie is instant and quick. You can call it sugar-free and eat it guilt-free. So let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. For this, I'm using gluten-free sprouted rolled oats. You may use any regular oats or quick oats. This will give more texture to the cookie. Since it's thick, I'm quickly going to use a food processor to break it down. If you use quick oats, you don't need to grind it. I'll be using 2 cups of oats and quickly grind for just 3 to 4 seconds. That's it, not more than that, because we are looking for a coarse texture, not a smooth powder. Yes, that's how it should be. I'll be using 2 ripe bananas and 1 small beet, which I'm cutting into pieces and grinding it fine. Beetroot is a great source of fiber, vitamin B9, iron and vitamin C. This is perfect. Now transfer it into a mixing bowl or any wide plate. Peel the banana and start mashing it with the back of your fork. Banana is a good source of potassium and magnesium. It helps ease your muscle cramps. So make sure to have some banana whenever you have those muscle cramps. Mash it to a very fine paste and now mix in the beetroot. Mix it until they are blended really well. That's how it should be. To this, add in the grounded oats, 1 cup at a time. For some flavor, add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Make sure to mix everything really well and add the 2nd cup of oats. Oats are the healthiest food, rich in fiber, magnesium and zinc. This cookie is great for those who are looking for weight loss snack, fights constipation and helps lower your blood pressure. This is how it should look. Place parchment paper to the grill plate or pan. Place it inside the basket. Now, using an ice cream scoop, shape each piece in your palm. I'm using an ice cream scoop so that each piece comes out evenly. Then shape it however you desire and place it inside the basket. Make sure they are not overcrowded. I did not preheat the air fryer. If you want, you may. I'm going to air fry for 6 minutes first under 350 Fahrenheit. Then flip each piece and further air fry for 6 more minutes. For those who are new to the air fryer, here is my tip. Every air fryer is different. So if you want to add a minute or 2, do so. Because each air fryer is different and also it depends according to your preference, what you prefer. You know, we are always looking to eat a little bit of dessert, but if it's sugar-free, then it's even more better, right? Make it a fun snack for kids by adding almond butter, peanut butter or Nutzo, and also a great snack after any exercise. It's all about how to incorporate vegetables in a fun, healthy, creative way. So that's what my channel is all about, so that you can enjoy, your kids can enjoy, and you can surprise your guests when you entertain them. So do check out that recipe. My other air fryer recipes, I'll be putting the link in the description below. And if you enjoy this recipe, do share it with your friends and stay tuned for more exciting recipe, and don't forget to shine with Shobs.